The double plate mount from Business Machine Security can be mounted on a desk by wood screws or industrial double-side tape. It will also connect to a VESA 75 arm. In this example, we will install it using the double-side tape, a method that will not affect the furniture finish. Once you identify a location, please clean the surface with the included alcohol pad. Stick the lower plate to the desk. If you want to remove it later, it can be done by hitting the plate with a gun. Bring your laptop and identify 4 flat, solid surfaces where the rubber pads can be installed. Lay over the upper plate, making sure your holes line up with the rubber pads. Make sure you leave enough room in the back of the plate for the laptop to open easily after the installation. Screw in the rubber pads through the upper plate. Apply the included bonding agent on the rubber pads and lay them down on the laptop. Allow 24 hours to cure. Your laptop is ready for the final mount. How secure is your laptop? This table is made of solid wood and weighs over 100 pounds. The double plate laptop security solution makes it easy to move a laptop from one workstation to another, making it a favorite in the medical field. This device is net superior to any cable lock solution on the market.